So a special thing happened to me today. I worship at Mavuno Church, and I'm part of Mavuno Church Waka. And so today we usually, as a church, we wake up at 4:30, and this week we've been waking up from 5 to 6 for 1 hour to pray as a community, as a church. And so when I woke up, a few minutes into the prayers, I got this violent hiccups that was stopping me from praying. But I said, no, you know what? I need to concentrate. I need to speak to the Spirit. I need to pray to my God. And so guess what? I just commanded them to stop in the name of Jesus. And you guys, you won't believe it. They were gone that instant. That very instant. So there's power in the name of Jesus.